So I was just on a 3-day work trip here in Kuala Lumpur, and I'm at the airport and I'm going to fly to Bali today. First time.
On my first day after arriving in Bali, me and my friends explored the area in and around Canggu where my friends were living. I couldn't have wished for a better first day. I had fries for breakfast, survived my first couple of scooter rides in crazy traffic, hung out in the sun for coffee, and enjoyed a sunset dinner by the beach. After hanging out in Canggu for a couple of days, we took a day trip and went to Uluwatu Temple, which is a Hindu sea temple in the south of the island. Everyone who knows me knows I'm not big on traditional sightseeing, so I'm not going to pretend I know anything about it. However, I did enjoy wandering around and taking in the cliffside views. The rest of the afternoon we spent at Bingin Beach, not far from the temple, with blue water, no crowds, and restaurants right on the sand. Today's Monday and we are on our way to Ubud, where we're gonna spend the next 2 days. And on the way we stopped here at the Hidden Canyon, where we had tour guide Made, who walked us through the canyons and through the water, and it's been a lot of fun. In Ubud itself, we stayed at an incredible Balinese villa away from the busy center and only accessible via a narrow pathway. When we first walked in, we were blown away by the interior and could not wait to settle in, hang out by the pool and try out the local cafes. We hired scooters and went to the famous Tegalalang rice terraces. Unfortunately, it didn't look as pretty as it usually does on photos. We must have picked a day just after the last harvest, and the time of day we went wasn't ideal either. So if you go, I suggest to do a little research in advance and go in the morning to wander the terraces nice and early. Speaking of getting up early, our final stop was Mount Batur and one of my highlights. We started hiking up the mountain at 4 a.m. and it took about 2 hours to reach the top, but once you're up there, you get to experience an incredible sunrise above the clouds. But see for yourself. As the title of this video says, this was my last trip before everything changed. The last time it felt normal going on a plane and travel overseas, meet fellow travelers or get lost in a crowd. Not long after this, the world came to a stop. This is my reminder that the best we can do is making sure we enjoy every moment with family and friends and appreciate our freedoms and experiences, because we never know for sure when we'll be able to do it again.
That is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment or a like if you enjoyed it. I've only really started this channel, so I am working through a few ideas of what I want to be sharing here with you, but I'm thinking tips and tutorials about photography and marketing, as well as travel vlogs. So if you want to come along on that journey, I would love for you to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.